10,000 baby boomers retiring every day.
Most of our senior managers are what? They're baby boomers and Gen Xers. And then to find out that over 50% of your workforce is Gen Z or younger. Millennials and Gen Zs, they work different, right? They use different tools. That's one of the reasons why we're here today.
On top of that, we're seeing a shift in how we are delivering training. We're going to the in-field on demand with less focus on the traditional classroom. As leaders in this room, we are challenged to think creatively on how we navigate being able to bridge humans and manufacturing together in new and dynamic ways.
So Voovio's put together, they've created this good event right here. They've created the right event and they've invited the right people.